Alright guys, Homestead Know How Life is Good. So we come over and we put in a rock bed at a friend's house next to their jacuzzi and their deck and stuff. So here's what we've got. We put in right here, they had a ditch where water flows, so we put in 4 black pipe, covered it with rock, made it look real nice. And then out here, go out, I'll show you this. So this is what we did over here. Same thing, we started with this. We de-weeded everything, took it all out. We also put, for gutter, we connected a downspout. We put a pop-up drain. So once it fills up, this will actually pop up and it'll drain out into the yard. All right, so we've got all that to the front. And then we're gonna go down here. And then we did this one. It's all the way down through there. Of course, we put weed block down, put the small rock, and then some bigger rock in to kind of give it some decoration. And then out here, oh, stepped in a hole. Maybe I should have filled that in for you. Out here, they had a sup pump. They have a sup pump in their basement. That's to pull water out if it gets in. And on the other side of the fence there, it just stopped. It stopped about 4 foot from this fence, and it was creating a ditch. So we asked if we could fix it. So I got the pipe, dug a hole, dug a ditch, dug under the fence, and we put another pop-up drain for a sup pump out here. All right, so now he's taken care of on that part. So we cleaned up all his flower beds, made him some rock beds, took care of all that stuff. And as you can see, I mean, where's that hole again? Looks a lot better. So, and this isn't very expensive. Now, where we live at, this is mountain stone. It's anywhere from $35 to $80 a scoop. This is 8 to 12 inch that we surrounded everything with. And once again, that's about $35 to $85 a scoop. And sometimes, depending on where you go, scoops can be a little bigger or a little smaller. So, and of course we got the weed block and all that. So that's what we did, guys. Homestead Know How Life is Good. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Have a blessed day.